Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram app not opening problem in iPhone. Okay, let's start the video. Now first go to your phone setting, scroll down, find Instagram. Now tap on Instagram, turn on background app refresh. Now back on home screen, and second method, go to your app store, search Instagram, tap on Instagram and update your Instagram app. Finally your Instagram app is updated. Now third method, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. And finally open your Instagram app. I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.